Today, I'm going to talk about how to use your inner voice to discover your purpose. Hi, welcome to the Storymakers. I'm Julie Allen and I'm a dream coach. You can learn more about us on thestorymakers.net, where we help people express themselves and build the dreams they love. If you are watching this video, you are probably someone who doesn't know their purpose or how to figure out what it is. You may have some clues, but still not 100% there. And this could be causing you to experience some anxiety, despair, or even depression. So follow this video and others in this series to get you started with helping you to discover your purpose. If you are enjoying this video and need help discovering or achieving your dreams, I'd love to hear from you and work with you as a coach. This video is one of a 3-part video series. If you haven't already done so, we recommend that you start with watching the first video in this series called The 3 Benefits of Knowing Your Purpose. So now that we talked about the benefits of knowing your purpose, let's move on to how you discover your purpose. The process of getting there is a little bit of an adventure. I invite you to relax and open your mind for this next part. After listening to this video, you will want to work on this on your own. When you do, you will need to go to a deep place and learn to listen to your inner voice. Your inner voice is that part of you that lights up awareness so you see things you didn't see before. At the 2005 commencement ceremony at Stanford University, Steve Jobs said this: "You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down and it has made all the difference in my life." Essentially, listen to your inner voice to find the truth of what your purpose is. Your inner voice makes you feel empowered, authentic, euphoric, and even peaceful. It wants you to live out your purpose and potential. It is the voice of reason and wisdom. It wants you to have a full and meaningful life. Tapping into this voice is where you find breakthroughs, where you explore yourself, forgive yourself, reinvent yourself, and where you find your life purpose. Your purpose and what you love should be in agreement with each other. You will know what it is if you take time to listen. There may be an overriding theme that is present, clues that you need to examine, or new things to try. The truth is, you won't commit long-term to a career or life path that doesn't tap into your passion, interests, and the true you, which is your purpose. Purpose is the why behind what you do. The answer to why will be related to something you love. You see, love has to be put into action through your service in the world. The impact of your work is then the fruits of your labor. Jim Carrey watched his father lose his job doing something he felt he had to do as opposed to doing what he loved. He said this about this experience: "You can fail at what you don't want, so you might as well take a chance on doing what you love." When you follow your purpose but start to get pulled into self-doubt or waver due to negative feedback from the outside world, you can remind yourself of the why, and your energy and motivation will be replenished. Finding your purpose is a discovery process that starts intrinsically based on who and what is inside you. You will need to get away from the busyness of life and become still and quiet. Mother Teresa says this: "Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal." You may find you have multiple life purposes at one time or various purposes that may come and go at different points in your life. Or, like Mother Teresa, you can also be drawn by a single life purpose that spans your entire existence. Her purpose was to serve the poor as a nun. Here are 3 questions to help you tap into your inner voice. Feel free to pause this video and write down your answers. 1. Where does your power, energy, and ability to create come from? So just think about that for a minute. Where does your power, energy, and ability to create come from? 2. Where does your love and passion reside? Where does it live? Where does your love and passion reside? 3. Is there a spirit, soul, inner guide you can hear when you take time to really listen? Don't shortchange yourself on this one. Really give yourself some quiet space and an opportunity to really just think about it. Like, these questions are really important. So I want you to take the time to just think about these questions. You'll want to do this activity when you can have a calm and quiet space to go deep inside yourself and ask these questions. I'd really love to hear from you. Finding your purpose, designing your life, and following your dreams is not easy stuff. But I'm here and I want to connect with you. Go to thestorymakers.net so we can work together on life challenges just like this. Now, in my next video, I will have 5 questions to help you identify your purpose. And if you didn't already do so, watch the first video on the 3 benefits of knowing your purpose. If you like this video, please let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can receive more content like this. And thank you.